Gifting is an art and Dior has mastered to a T. Look at this Valentine's presentation. It is not only dreamy, but perfect for the festivities. I just received my purchase of the much anticipated L'Atelier Mauve eyeshadow palette. As you can tell, I already have foundation, concealer, blush on, but I need the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be reviewing it today. We're going to go over swatches and all the details, as well as I have purchased this Christian Dior Miss Dior gift set. I'm so mesmerized by the artwork. It's so stunning, perfect to be gifted. And you know what I always say, there's no complete look without the fragrance of the day, and obviously Miss Dior Eau de Parfum, it's going to be the fragrance of the day. I love the presentation. Look, even the background has all the artwork, and I love these kind of gift sets where you get a full-size bottle to keep at home by your vanity, and then you get a travel size that you can take it on your purse and take it on the go. And I love Miss Dior Eau de Parfum, floral, fresh, rose centifolia, honey, peppery, a little bit of apricot that makes it a little bit more velvety with a touch of lily of the valley. Peony is just so beautiful and so elegant. And friends, have you seen? There's a new Miss Dior Parfum. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You know who's gonna get it, right? Yeah, it's going to be me. And let's open up the new eyeshadow palette. Love the little bag. Talking about bag, you will always get little samples from Dior, and I repurpose these bags all the time. Usually I put my keys on it, sometimes my SD cards for my camera, as well as the batteries for my camera too. I always do so. This time I got the Dior Prestige Lait Creme and a sample size of Dior Riviera Eau de Parfum and the eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. L'Atelier Mauve 943. You have to see this baby. Wow. My gosh. It's so beautiful. The embossing, it pays homage to the fashion house. So gorgeous. And by the way, if you're new here to my channel, welcome, and welcome to all of you, my beautiful friends. As per usual, I film in natural light with a 4K camera, so it will give you the best representation at looking at each of the products as if you were looking at them in person. If you want to see more close-ups, come and follow me both on my Instagram and TikTok. And if you haven't subscribed just yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's completely free. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel, ring that post notification bell, because believe me, you don't want to miss any of my uploads. The palette comes with the two little applicators. But before I go into swatches, let me show you a couple items that I got with my order. I also got a few other things. I don't want to show them because they are Valentine's Day gift. I'm talking about Valentine's. I know that the day that I'm uploading this video, Dior is having free shipping express and overnight. I will be leaving those details on the description box below, along with the links of all the products that I will be using today, as well as the promo codes, because if you don't know, Dior has the most amazing gifts. And it is super important. If you haven't yet signed up for Dior's loyalty program, it's completely free and you will get so many exclusive gifts. I know you have heard me and you have seen me unboxing those gifts here on my channel for my birthday, for the holidays, when you reach each tier. I mean, it is the best loyalty program, period. So anyhow, this I got it. I'm pretty sure this was with a promo code. Look at this beautiful pouch. It is velvet with Dior embroidered in gold. Are you kidding? This is beautiful. Talking about embroidery, you know what? I have seen the Blooming Bouquet perfume. You can actually get your initials engraved. Can you imagine that gift for someone so special? Obviously, you are very special. Love how spacious and structured this is. Perfect for traveling. And then there was another gift with purchase. I'm telling you. Voila, look at this bag with the CD logo in the middle. Now this is nice canvas, like one pouch that this will fit so many things inside. My goodness. And it's lined too. Again, I will be leaving all the promo codes, details for the free shipping, which is guaranteed for Valentine's Day. It will obviously depend on the day that you are placing your order. So make sure that if you have something in mind to order immediately. Okay, friends, let's go for this eyeshadow palette, L'Atelier Mauve. So spring. I feel so bad to swatch it, but we have to do this. There you have it. Now, for sure, you don't need to use each of the shades on the eyeshadow palette to create a look. I'm just going to do so I can give you a feedback on the formulation, how it performs. I'm going to go first with this shade, and I'm going to take it and apply it above the crease. Next, I'm going with the middle shade, and I'm going to take this shade and apply it on the outer third of the eyelid. Going with the deepest lilac tone, and I'm going to take this shade and applying it on the outer V. Going to the lightest lilac tone, and this shade is going from the inner portion all the way to the middle. Next, I'm going with the lightest shade, and I'm just going to tap it right on the center. Next, I'm going with the middle shade, and I'm going to take it on my lower lash line. I like this kind of pink. It's not too strong of a pink. It does have a little bit of warmth. You see, like this palette is playing with cool tones, but this one is not truly cool. It's not super warm either, but it just balances the coolness. Then I'm going with the deepest lilac tone in the pan. And I'm just going to take it and placing it very close to the lower lash line. With the pencil brush, I'm going to the lightest shade. And I'm going to take it and apply it on the inner corner. I apply mascara and liner. The eyeshadow look is done. I'm in love. This is an ethereal look. A look that is very feminine, very springtime, very much Valentine's Day, without being pinky, without being like too much. It's just classic and sophisticated. Let's apply a little bit of the Dior Lip Maximizer. Have you seen that you can actually have them engraved when you place your order at Dior? I really love when you're able to personalize your lipsticks or anything of your makeup. And this is one of their newest shades. Again, all the details will be on the description box below. The look is super ethereal, and it goes with the vibe of the coquette trend too. I feel like obviously I just need perhaps instead a white top, a bow on my hair too. I mean, definitely so coquette. Now, in terms of the finishes, they are all, like I said, more of satin finishes. Very forgiving if you have fine lines because it does soften up the texture. It doesn't emphasize any texture. Easy on application. Now, a suggestion here is because the shades are not exactly the same. They have kind of the hues and the same undertones. You don't need to use all the shades to create a look with it. Definitely you can replicate that look that I have done today, but you can also just use 3 to 2 shades, like, or even 1 shade. Like you can just apply all these shades all over the eyelid, or play between these 3 shades up top or these 3 other shades at the bottom. You can get different kind of looks playing with the intensity of the eyeshadows. A very special palette, a limited edition palette. Sadly, I wish it will remain in Dior's repertoire. But anyhow, my friends, let me know, have you already purchased this baby here? I announced it right away as soon as I saw it available online. I actually mentioned it on my Instagram, also here on my YouTube channel, on my community tab. That's why it's really important that you are subscribed to my channel, but to have that post notification bell on, because otherwise you will not get to know whenever I upload new videos, but also you will miss my posts on my community tab. And well, if you're on Instagram and TikTok, come and follow me there too so we can stay in communication. I would love to hear from you what you think about this eyeshadow palette and what you think about the new Miss Dior Parfum. Are you excited? I cannot wait to smell it either. I look forward to reading your comments. If you like this video, if it serves you of any help, please give it a thumbs up. Also share with family and friends so that way we can grow our family. And if you're not done watching my content, well, guess what? I will be leaving a couple other recommendations at the end of the video that I'm sure you're gonna love. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.